everybody, it's Amanda from Scrimpingmommy.co.uk. I am coming to share with you the contents of my February Stampin' Selections kit. The kit for February is based around the Petal Palette suite. So the first item that you're going to get, and there are 11 items in this kit, and I will tell you straight off that it's £21 including postage, UK only I'm afraid. And so your 11 items starts with half a pack of the beautiful 12x12 DSP. You're going to get a sheet of each design. Each one is double-sided. And they're beautiful. They're all on the black and white theme, but they can be coloured in any way. You can add ink to these, you can spray them, you can sponge them, you can colour them in, you can watercolour wash them, you can do what you want with them, or you can just leave them as they are because they're beautiful. So you're going to get a half a pack there of that 12x12 beautiful DSP. So I've got a big pile on my table. Please excuse me while I just work my way through. The second item that you're going to get is, not that, that's the bottom of the cardstock, is one of the beautiful window sheets. Now these are awesome. Doesn't show up very well on camera, but there you go. You can make your shaker cards, you can make your window front cards. There's lots you can do with these. So you're going to get some window sheet. And again, that's 12x12. I'm not going to chop it down. Look at all of these lovely goodies. So you're going to get some of the Memories and Mark cards. These are the Petal Palette ones. They do coordinate. And you're going to get a share of the large one and a share of the smaller ones. I haven't even opened these yet. And these are absolutely beautiful. I've been using these a lot. I'm making some beautiful, beautiful cards with these. You can colour them again, you can ink them, you can leave them as they are. You can use them for memory keeping, card making, absolutely anything. They're beautiful. So you're going to get a share of those. Now what you're going to get is, not two, you're going to get one Stampin' Spritz. Okay? So it opens like so and you spritz. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make you a spritz solution. So this is going to come ready filled with a spritz, oh gosh, try saying that when you've had a whiskey. A spritz solution of pulpata. Okay, so I'll make it, you know, you mix them with water and a little bit of an alcohol-based solution. And then you can spray it on your DSP or your cardstock or whatever you want and have some crafty fun with that. So that's going to be in your kit. Okay, you're going to get two lots of the beautiful ribbon that coordinates. We've got the lovely organza with the satin edge, double satin edged, and that one is what is it, in 1/4 of an inch, that's it. So it is whisper white. It is ever so pretty, very dainty and very beautiful. And you're also going to get the Pull Party shimmer ribbon, which is, you know, double-sided. It's beautiful, beautiful ribbon. And this one is, what, 3/8 of an inch or 1 centimetre. So you're going to get 2 yards of each of those stunning ribbons. And of course they coordinate. Everything that I put in the kit, I make sure it coordinates. It really isn't difficult with Stampin' Up products because all of our colour shades match. So everything's going to match beautifully. Now this particular DSP, the Petal Palette, doesn't have a specific matching cardstock like many of the others do. So I have had a look through the catalogue and I've selected the one that originally was made to go with the Oh So Lovely DSP. The one with the beautiful peaches or oranges. You will remember. So this cardstock is Tranquil Tide, Pull Party and Powder Pink. And you're going to get it in an A4 size and you're going to get a couple of sheets of each. So that you've got some nice colours. Beautiful. And it goes absolutely beautiful with the black and white papers. On top of that, I'm also putting in some, let me just move that, some 12x12 basic black cardstock. Helping you make your card bases. You get quite a few out of a 12x12, or if you want to make boxes or mini albums or anything like that, sometimes the 12x12 cardstock is just that little bit more versatile. Okay, so you're going to get some of that as well. Now for embellishments, you're going to get a sample share of the Touches of Nature Elements, and these are laser cut wood pieces, so you've got leaves and flowers, so you've got like a wood colour there, and then on the back is like a white, looks like it's been whitewashed, so you could use either. You can colour these, you can paint them, you can emboss them, you can do what you want with them. They're awesome. So you'll get a share of those, and you're also going to get a sample share of these, which are the beautiful enamel dots, and these are the subtles range of colours, so they'll coordinate beautifully, so you're going to get a share of those as well. So that's 11 items in total. On top of that, you're going to get handmade elements from me. You're going to get some handmade embellishments. I'm not telling you what they are because it's a secret. I like to keep some things a surprise for customers. Just one thing that I want to mention is that obviously the suite coordinates with the petal palette stamp, and there is matching thinlets. Okay, now if you do buy the stamp set, order the stamp set at the same time as your kit, that would bump your purchase up quite a bit, and you would be entitled to a free celebration item. Okay, you'd have to let me know which one to order for you, but you will, if you buy the kit and order the stamp set at the same time, the combined total means you can have a celebration item. Now, in addition to that, if you, bump it up again and add the matching thinlets, you'd save 10% because you're buying those together. You're going to get your free celebration item, and I'm also going to give you an extra little bit of something, a little extra freebie from me for buying the full set. Okay, so those offers there are in combination with purchasing with the kit. Okay, and another thing that I'm also doing this month, for the whole of February, if you buy the kit and the stamp set, or just the kit, you can buy just the kit. I'm going to give you a free, I'm just giving you a quick look, a free, I'm not showing you them all, it's a free 5-card PDF tutorial. So you will be emailed that. It will have the photos of the beautiful cards that I've created using this set and elements from the kit, and you will get all the instructions and all the measurements, and that will be exclusive. Those cards won't go on YouTube. I won't show them on my blog and give the measurements either. Those measurements and how those cards were made is exclusive to this special offer. And also, if you just purchase the stamp set with me at any time throughout the month of February, you'll also be entitled to that free PDF as well. If you do order this separately and you don't want the kit, and you do order this online, don't forget to use the hostess code as well to get extra freebies. Okay, so lots and lots and lots of ways of getting extra things. So I hope that's okay for you. I hope that you would like to purchase that. All of the details, the precise breakdown of everything that's in the kit is over on my blog at scrimpingmommy.co.uk, with another explanation of all of the free items that you can get this month. Okay, payments are by PayPal. I am cutting off order. Ordering cut-off is the 20th now. It's getting a little bit close to the bone because these kits are getting popular, and I don't want kits from the previous month to still be carrying over because people are ordering them late in the month. So the cut-off is the 20th of February for ordering these, and generally I tend to get all of the orders at the same time, and they generally go out around about the middle of the month. So I hope that you will nip on over to my blog and have a look and see if you fancy one of these kits. Don't forget, I do them every month. Also, don't forget that you can shop online with me, and my shop link is also on my blog. Alright, thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.